Hi guys! For today's video, we are going to discuss example number 4 of the inscribed angle and intercepted arc. But in this problem, we are going to apply also the theorem about central angle and its intercepted arc. Okay, so we have here circle D and we have the central angle, angle ABC, which is equal to 60 degrees. Bakit siya central angle? Kasi yung vertex niya is at the center. And then we have to find for the measure of arc AC and angle ABC. Now, what kind of angle is angle ABC? It is an inscribed angle. Why? Kasi yung vertex niya is on the circle. Now, paano kaya natin isosolve yung mga measure? Dahil alam natin na ang central angle ay equal kay intercepted arc. Kung ito ay 60, yung intercepted arc niya is also correct. Aba, marunong na. 60 degrees. Laging equal yan ha, yung central at yung intercepted arc na. So, we have the measure of arc AC which is 60. Okay? Now, what will be the measure of our inscribed angle? Angle ABC. Dahil alam natin na doble ng inscribed angle equals to intercepted arc. Itong intercepted arc natin, i-divide natin siya by 2. Okay? So, 60 divided by 2 will be, correct, 30 degrees. O, para makita niyo yung solution. Okay, suppose angle ABC is X. Okay? Para na lang madali. So, suppose si X siya. So, twice the X. Okay, so twice the X, yung inscribed angle natin, equal siya kay intercepted arc. So, we have here, circle D, and then yung central angle natin, which is angle ABC is 100 degrees. What will be the measure of arc AC and the measure of angle ABC? Okay, so don't forget to follow for more math videos, and remember that sharing is caring. Bye!